because I'm here in my buddy's shop and doing defrosters on a race car. So y'all about to see how to see how your frosty ass front window getting frosty.
Keep Frosty the Snowman off that shit.
Frosty the Snowman will have you fucking plowing into a fucking snowbank.
You'll be able to see Sasquatch easier. That's where he lives.
You might be able to see enough to win out of this motherfucker. That's what he was supposed to say. I'm gonna start just doing stuff for all the RB drivers. Be like, look, this will help you right here.
This will help you. This will help that camshaft not snapping that.
This is more of a thing, like at least you can see out your window, so you'll have a better chance if you can see where you're going. You won't have to push it so hard. You say camshaft. That used to be just a Ford thing when I used to work at the tow truck company and I was the fleet mechanic. Fucking camshaft snapping. It was always the key though. It wouldn't even necessarily be anything else but the key, the little key that goes on the gear, just snapping and then fucking, yeah. You know what happens after that. It's a big ass fucking mess. I think one of the trucks that we bought brand new, that shit happened. It was a camshaft snapped at like 10,000 miles.
Alright. I found it, some big ass crap.
And then I'm hoping that these bars. Oh. See, that's what happens when you don't have enough.
Enough heat.
That's why I said do it on a sunny day. Hey, already got a continue. You got a glue on the window?
Huh?
Shot a glue on the window?
Yeah.
See that won't happen. Because it's soft. Don't speed it up, don't rush it. This is how you do it. This is what they put on real race cars. You already know. So I'll use the reels if I can keep it for this video. Yeah, for the video at this direction.
I need some regular ones for mounting. It's like a 1/4 inch. So you could just find a drill bit. And then take your drill press, orange, and then for hardware.
This has changed defrosters for me for life. Now I know I could just bond them together and double-sided sticky them together and shit. Like, what the fuck? Who would have knew?
All the way on the corner after the office, there's a blue pin that says Fastenal. There's a whole bunch of hardware in there. So just find some hardware that could fit that. I have something
So I wonder if the glass is actually getting hot. Probably not. Does it feel warm?
No.
No?
No.
Yeah.
It's feels cool.
I can go with that.
Even right after. Yeah, this is not even.
Yeah, because I'm not pulling really. I'm just holding it up at the right angle.
Yeah, you're just holding tension.
Yeah.
There we go. I think I've done the hard work. Right here. You probably don't even need to clamp it, as long as it's flat and it has like a spot for the drill bit to go down. Just hold it.
This is what you have to do if you don't do it on a hot day. Do it when the window's hot. This shit's just gonna come right off. All this is doing is heating up the glue on the paper to release easy, not pull everything off. Next. This shit gonna look crazy when the window goes. I don't have no nails. I cut them yesterday. So this goes. So these get bent over.
Yes.
First.
Yes. Like this. And then the black goes over that and then it gets trimmed.
So
this is for the specific side with those things.
So these get flipped over first, basically. This goes first.
Yeah. It doesn't go all the way to the top now, because it needs to reach all of them.
It has to, because there's no. It has to go up into the top.
It's off by a little bit, so it's turned.
Doesn't matter, I can cut these ones. Everything's the exact same as a double-sided sticky.
Is it simple green or just the bottom here?
Next door is spray simple green.
Oh, okay.
Now, how do they get this onto this?
They just fold it over.
And then that holds it in place.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, not that.
What?
What do you mean?
I'm making sure the connection's good. There's a connection right here. Because they made it a two-piece, so the connection needs to be good, or it's not gonna work. Okay. That's just common sense. Okay. And then each of these bars go over like that. Oh, I see why they did that. I believe this strip is gonna have to go on one by one, and I'll do them one by one. Were these supposed to be laid on top of each other? Did it say that?
They're
Or
just
just
touching.
just touching? Maybe it's gonna be touching on one corner and then touching on the next, just because how they did this. Can you give me tape? Crazy because like most of our my car has a stock unit for climate control, so all I have to do is just wire that shit back in. I can just wire it. Switch. They have a little box for it. Guess you're screwed if you pull this shit and break the line. There's some illegal shit for a street car.
It's the bottom.
It's all coded.
That ain't good. You getting close-ups too? People want to see shit closer. This is fucking easy. Just time to see. Yeah, you can charge people shit out for this. They'll probably pay like $100 extra for some crazy shit.
Do you want me to film both ways or just?
Yeah, okay.
No, I know. This one needs to be cut.
I'll agree with that. If you damage the lines, the connection don't go. So like if you hit this line and break it,
Yeah, like this one, it might be hard to do.
no, leave it. No one's gonna be able to see it.
Hey, you want to leave it on or erase that? I don't know why I wasn't bringing that one with us, but. You never know.
Don't hit the strip. No.
It says Home Depot sells it, but I feel like that's just Home Depot says they have it.
Okay.
It's online.